Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook 1040. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with your HP EliteBook 1040, where some keys do not respond, you're not alone. This can happen due to various reasons such as dirt or debris getting lodged under the keys, or even a software issue. If left unaddressed, it can affect your productivity and lead to further complications down the line. To fix this problem, you will need a few tools, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. Begin by ensuring your laptop is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Place it on a flat surface, and carefully turn it over. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws holding the back panel in place. Make sure to keep track of these screws as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force as you don't want to damage any clips securing it. Once the back panel is off, locate the keyboard connector. It is typically a flat ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the motherboard. Gently disconnect this cable by lifting the locking tab on the connector. Now, you can remove the keyboard itself by unscrewing any screws that might be holding it in place. Be mindful of where each screw goes, as they can vary in size. After removing the keyboard, inspect it for any visible dirt or damage. If it looks clean, you can try reconnecting it and see if that resolves the issue. If the keyboard is damaged, it will need to be replaced. To insert the new keyboard, simply reverse the steps you took to remove the old one. Remember to reconnect the ribbon cable securely and replace any screws you removed. Once everything is back in place, carefully reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, power on your laptop and test the keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning properly. To prevent this issue in the future, try to keep your keyboard clean by regularly using compressed air to blow out any debris. Additionally, be mindful of what you eat or drink near your laptop to avoid spills. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.